Hi, my name is Darko, and I'm trying to install my 2008 ZX-10R engine into my 1994 ZX-7 frame. And so far it's been nothing but a frickin' headache. Yeah. It fits. They said it wouldn't fit, but it fits. Oh, that sucks. The first thing I noticed was the drive sprocket is not really where I was hoping it would be. The green line represents where the chain and the sprocket should be, and the red line represents where the sprocket is. Moving further down to the kickstand, the engine mount needs to be trimmed. However, I need to leave as much metal as possible to give the kickstand support more strength. Let's look at the exhaust side of the bike. The lower motor mount needs to be completely removed. The engine is supported by a long bolt that runs through these two motor mounts. It's that time again. It's time to visit the world of knowledge. Nope. 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 Wait. Huh. That's interesting. Yeah. Feels good. Okay. And I'm back from the world of knowledge. And from what I found out is that you can actually install a ZX-10R engine into a 1994 ZX frame. And it works. And all you need to do is just grab a magic marker and start drawing. Yeah. The next step is relatively easy. We draw lines. Let's go. Draw an approximate line for the cuts. It's better to leave some excess material that you can cut off later. For this job, my go-to tool is a grinder. It's great at cutting metal, aluminum, but it makes quite a bit of a mess. My second go-to tool is the reciprocating saw. It's a great at cutting metal, wood, plastic. It doesn't leave a mess, but it's really hard to get a clean cut. Since it's snowing outside, I can't use a grinder. I'm going to start off with this. And once I start, there's no turning back. Crap, they're dark. Yeah, but they look cool. "100 subscribers. I hit a milestone." Crap, that's one dull blade. Well, I guess I have to order new ones. It's been 4 days since I ordered new blades, and they still haven't arrived. Lucky for me, and it's no longer snowing, so I'm going to take the project outside and take a grinder to it. After an hour of grinding, the old brackets from the frame have been removed. This means there's no turning back. The next step is to place the engine in the frame, align it, and start fabricating new brackets, which I will show you in the next video. Thank you for viewing, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content. And remember, always hug your pets. Bye for now.